Hello, welcome to this tutorial on subtracting fractions. Let's take a look at 5/7 subtract a quarter. Looking at our rule book, number 1, we need to find the common denominator using the lowest common multiple of 7 and 4. We write down the multiples of 7 and the multiples of 4. To find the lowest common multiple, we need to see which value they both have in common. The lowest common multiple is 28. So, for our new fraction, the denominator will be 28. Now, we need to convert our old fractions to the new fractions. First off, what did we do to 7 to get to 28? We multiplied by 4. Therefore, looking at our rule book, we need to multiply the numerator by the same value, times 4. So, 5 times 4 is 20. Now we can move on to the next fraction. What did we do to 4 to get to 28? We multiplied by 7. Therefore, we multiply the numerator by 7. 1 times 7 is 7. Now we are ready to subtract. Looking at our rule book, we can see that we need to add or subtract the numerators. Keeping the denominator the same as 28, we are ready to subtract the numerators now. 20 subtract 7 gives us 13. Therefore, 5/7 subtract a quarter is 13 over 28. Simple, right? That wraps up our tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us on our socials and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. See you again soon.